Audio Jungle.
Welcome to Galactic Tech Foundation, an organization located in Ghana that trains students in rural areas in astronomy, coding, electronics, and robotics. My name is Solomon Agbe, and today I'll be presenting on Aeronautics. Aeronautics is a term used to refer to the operation, design, maintenance, and construction of aircraft for air flight. This term was originally just used to refer to the operation, that is, the flying of an aircraft. However, it was later expanded to encompass everything that is related to aircraft and air flight. The father of aeronautics is George Cayley, after he invented the first fixed-wing aircraft with a vertical tail in 1799. The first one to actually fly were the Wright brothers. Aeronautics today is a very huge and growing industry. All flights occur all over the world are part of this industry. I mean, we have people moving from one country to another using aircraft and transporting cargo over huge distances due to the availability and the advancement in this industry. We hope that it will grow in the future. The conclusion, this bright, young, and booming industry might be the key to making transportation more efficient, easier, and safer for humanity. Please don't forget to follow us and subscribe to all our social media platforms for more interesting content. And thank you for watching today's video.